Okay, ito niyo. Kaso wala yung hangin. May bomba? Sige ko.
Wala kasi siya. Uy, Jerry mo lang kapatid nyo lang to. Ikaw na kayo. Sa kabyo.
First 5 on St. Benil. First 5 on JRU.
Lima lang din naman sila.
And we're live on the Facebook page. Basketballista. And our official referee report tonight, Apatan against and Rum.
Mabi, ewan mo ka doon bakit mo?
Wala naman ako doon.
Ha?
Wala naman ako doon.
Ewan kayo? Ha?
First position of JRU, it's Alak. Too strong by Alak. Now the door. Looking for Francisco.
First shoot! Pero nun.
10 to shoot.
Jenny Viola.
Amboy. Rebound on Wesley. Now Sergeant Primo to Wesley. 1-1 by Garcia to the door. 1-1 Garcia. Oh, steal by Amboy. It's Amboy guarded by Crooks. Turnover against St. Benil. This is our first game, first match. St. Benil versus JRU. Alak point. Again, too strong. Rebound on Garcia. 2-0. A 2-point lead by JRU. Nerga to Francisco. Side step. Rebound on Garcia. Now Wesley. 1-1. Wesley drive. Wesley. Pass to Crooks. Guarded by 2. Crooks. Intercepted again by St. Benil. Alak again intercepted. Pass outside. Again. Back-to-back steal on St. Benil. It's 8 minutes and 27 seconds. Amboy. In and out by Amboy top. It's Tadora Parador. 2-all. Sa first deadlock of the game. 8 minutes and 10 seconds. First quarter. 2 minutes consumed. Now Wesley. Pass to Alak. Alak to Sergeant Primo. Corner pocket jump. Rebound on Garcia. It's Garcia. Nice defense foul. Foul on number 21 on Amboy. First on Amboy. First team foul. St. Benil. Now Crooks. Favorite shot. In and out. Rebound again on the Dora Parador. It's double reroll. 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Now inbounding Alak. Alak to Wesley. Wesley to Crooks. Same spot. Yes on Crooks. Now 2-point lead on JRU. It's 4 against 2. 3 minutes consumed. 7 minutes. Now Francisco. Long 3. Short. Top. It's green ball. Garabiola. to Amboy, 10 to shoot. It's St. Benil ball, St. Benil.
Nimai! Nimai! Nimai, so annoying.
Now Amboy. Enel Vega. Long three. In and out. Rebound again on your shirts. Fake. 10 to shoot.
Berga.
High. Rebound on Alak. Rocks. Now it's Garcia. Garcia drive. Let it go. In and out by Garcia. Foul. Foul on Dador Parador. It's second team foul on St. Benil. First on Dador Parador. Six minutes. Now Dador Parador. Looking for Verga. Guarded by Fred Garcia. Araso Garcia, it's foul. Oh, double dribble. Nice defense on Garcia. 6 minutes. It's a 2-point lead on JRU. 4 against 2. Wesley. Rocks, long three, short. Rebound on Amboy. Now in Berga. 4 on 3 in Berga drive. Left hand drive, go. Rebound on. It's now Dador Aparador, short. Dador Aparador again. Yes on Aparador. Dador. 4 all. Alak. Garcia all the way on Garcia. Easy basket by Garcia. 6-4. It's a 2-point lead on JRU. Rebound again on the shirts. Tinagola. 14 the set clock 14. In Berga, 10 shoot. Rebound, Garcia, it's foul. Foul on number 15 on St. Benil. Third on St. Benil.
Ginijola.
First on Ginigala. Now Wesley. Drive, Wesley, short up, it's Crocs. Pass to Garcia. Long three, again, short. Rebound again by Garcia. Garcia all the way. Yes on Garcia. 8-4. 4-point lead now GRU. Tatora Parador. Drive. Short top. It's Wesley. Now Garcia. 2 on 3 on 1. Garcia pay to Crocs. Yes on Crocs. Time out. On St. Benil. It's 10 against 4. 6-point lead on GRU. And we'd like to thank our sponsors, TUI, Basketballista, Lakers, Abu Dhabi.
Natin, bola!
4 minutes and 20 seconds. Now Amboy. Back to the door. Kick out pass, Francisco. 10 to shoot. Yes on Amboy. 6-10. 4-point lead JRU. Now Sergeant Primo to Wesley. Crocs. Back to Wesley. Wesley drive. Favorite shot. Yes on Wesley. 12-6. It's a 3-6-point lead on JRU. Still by Alak. 3 on 2. Alak, let me try. Short top is Garcia. It's Garcia again. Rebound on Garcia. Garcia 3-2. Back to Wesley. Wesley now, looking for Alak. Yes on Alak, it's 14. Against 6. It's 8-point lead on JRU. Kick out pass. In Berga. Long three short. Nice stop. Rebound on Alak. It's Alak looking for Sergeant Primo. 16-6. It's a 10-point run running from JRU. Pow! Nice pass. Nice pick. Pow! Foul on number 3 on GRU is Wesley. First on Wesley. First team foul GRU. Now 7-6. Back to 8-point lead on JRU. 16-8, 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Sergeant Primo, Wesley. Wesley kick on pass to Sergeant Primo. All alone is Sergeant Primo. Nice move. Walang move. Coming from Francisco, the Putbus man. Now it's Wesley. Wesley, one run. Looking for Garcia. Garcia. Back to Wesley. 14 to shoot. 2 minutes to shoot. 10 to shoot. Sergeant Primo. Rebound on Berga. And Ginebala, coast to coast, left-handed drive. What a move! And Ginebala, it's 12-18. Stepping on the line on JRU. It's turnover on JRU. 18 to 12. It's a 6-point lead, JRU. 1 minute and 47 seconds. Rebounding Nador Parador. Looking for Enberga. Long three. Bang, bang, bang. Oh, Enberga. 18-15. It's a 3-point lead on JRU. Wesley. Looking for Alak. Long three. Again short. It's Crooks. Rebound. It's 20 to 15. 5-point lead on JRU. Enberga. Nice pass, kick out pass. Going up. Whoa! One move now. It's 17 to 20. It's 3-point lead JRU. 1 minute. $50 seconds. Crooks. Favorite spot on Crooks. 22. Against the 17. Now Alak again. It's 4-on-3, Alak, it's Alak time, 24 against 17, 7-point lead back on JRU, 30 seconds. Nice move by the door, Parador. It's foul. Foul on number 29 on Alak. It's first on Alak. Second team foul against JRU. 18, 24, 25 seconds. Now 19, 24. It's a 5-point lead on JRU. Garcia. It's foul. Foul on number 27 on the Dora Parador. Warning for penalty on St. Pinil. Second on the Dora Parador. 13 seconds. Short. $25.90. Francisco, 10 seconds.
Enrique.
This is Amboy, 5 seconds. And now for first quarter, our score is 25-22. 1 5-point lead on GRU. Second quarter ready. Richard. Second quarter. JRU ball, may jump ball tayo eh. It's JRU ball. And still we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista Anderson. Mami the Pogi. First attempt, too strong. Rebound on Villarde. Now Amboy. It's Amboy to Francisco. Back to Villarde. Nice touch. It's still now Amboy pick. Amboy move. Amboy nice defense on GRU. Amboy second try around. Rebound too strong. Francisco. Nice Scobell. Mami na Pogi. Scobell open jump. May Scobell. 27-21. It's a 6-point lead on GRU. Villarde. Portray. In and out. Rebound on Mami na Pogi. It's Mabi, kick out pass to Anderson, pick. Anderson, nice pass to Mabi the Pogi. Coming from Anderson, it's 29-21. 8-point lead now, JRU. And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Amboy, too strong. Rebound on Mabi the Pogi. It's Mabi the Pogi now. Mabi, nice kick out pass. Intercepted on Saginil. Now Francisco. Let me try Francisco. Again, nice defense on De La Cruz. Now Milay. Pick. Yes on Milay. 23 against 29. Anderson. Top. Mabi the Pogi. It's Mabi. 31-23. It's 8-point lead on GRU. Nice pass, kick out pass, nice move, nice block by De La Cruz. It's 8 to shoot, 8 seconds to shoot. Melay. In and out. Rebound on GRU. Steal on Francisco. It's 2-3-1-1. Pass to Amboy. Nice pick to... Oh, shot! Amboy. Yes on Amboy. It's 25-31. It's 6-point lead on GRU. Mami the Pogi. Mami the Pogi time. It's Mami. Timeout on Sevinil. First timeout on second quarter, and timeout is still brought to you by TUI, the Inkers Abu Dhabi, Basketballista, and Delta Basketball. 33-25. It's an 8-point lead on JRU. Villarde. Wimberga. Kick out pass to Francisco. Inverga to Amboy. Amboy na. Amboy move. It's Amboy. It's 27-33. It's a 6-point lead on GRU. 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Anderson. Too strong. Rebound on Amboy. Pass, Melay, big, Melay again, it's Melay, 29-33. It's a 4-point lead on JRU.
Patambak kasi may plus 5 tayo dyan.
40 to shoot. In and out, Enverga.
Yes, enough, brother!
Pass to Velarde, side step. What a move by Velarde! 31 against 33. It's a 6-point run coming from St. Benil.
Challenge sa shooter!
Mavi the Pogi. In and out, top. Rebound ng Amboy. Baseball pass. It's Velarde all alone. It's Velarde 33 all. Time out on GIU. It's a tie ball game. 33 all. It's St. Benil against GIU.
Nag-time out?
Bawas lang na, mga sahod.
Ha? Sako doon.
Four minutes and 44 seconds. Second quarter. Mavi the Pogi. Pass to Esquivel. Nice kick out. Nice pass to De La Cruz. It's foul. Foul on number 25 on the Footloose man, Francisco. First on the Footloose man. First team foul, St. Benil. It's 4 minutes 27 seconds.
Sinabi.
34, 33. Now they break the tie. It's 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Enverga. Pass to Footloose man. Right, Footloose man. Wanna move. Bang! Basket count and one on the Footloose man. It's foul rep. All on number 7. 11 on Anderson. First on Anderson. First team foul against GRU. Rebound on Anderson. It's 4 on 2. Anderson coast to coast number Elias now 36-34. It's 1 point lead back to GRU. Enverga to Amboy. Amboy. Nice move by Amboy. Again top. Rebound on Velarde. It's Velarde. Aras. Amboy again. Footloose man fake. Black. It's 10 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Short. Amboy. Short again. Rebound on Esquivel.
Limang beses.
Esquivel. Looking for Anderson. Anderson. 1-on-1. Side step. Anderson. Let me try. Again short. Rebound on. Oh, top. Intercepted by Velarde. It's 2-on-1. Melay to Amboy. Amboy. Again in and out. Amboy again. Top by Pogi the Pogi. Short. Amboy again. It's Amboy. Too strong again. Rebound and Enverga. Yes on Enverga. 37-36. It's a 1 point lead on St. Benil. Now, nice pass to Mavi the Pogi to Esquivel. 38 against the 37. So 1 point lead on GRU. Amboy. Crossover pass pa Amboy. It's offensive foul on number 21 on Amboy. Second team foul on St. Benil. Second personal foul on Amboy. Mavi the Pogi. To De La Cruz. To deep. Now Velarde. 1-on-1. Nice steal again by Esquivel. 59 seconds. 59. Short. Rebound on Putusman. Block. It's Escobel. 50 seconds. Mabi na Pogi. Short. Mabi ang Pogi again. Nice pass to De La Cruz. Short. Rebound again. De La Cruz again. De La Cruz. 40. Against the 37. It's 3-point lead on JRU. 30 seconds. Villarde. Black. It's foul. Foul on De La Cruz. It's first on De La Cruz. Second team foul on JRU.
Lord, eh. Kita siya lang.
22 seconds. Oh, di ba lang ang Villarde? 15 seconds. De La Cruz, 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Oh, it's Mabe. And for second quarter score, it's 47 against the third. 42 to 37. Oh, bawas tayo. Ano, bawas. Bawas tayo, bawas.
Si Garcia, ito-transfer niya na lang sa Wali. Kasi, withdraw pa siya.
Sino na dyan?
Kay Bagalanon. Ay, ito kay Garcia to 35.
Lala. Lala. Ala.
Pwede mo yan. Ulitin niya sila yung anak na. Anong taon na binigay ko 400 doon?
Ganti kayo.
O, para gawin mag-shoot.
Ito ba yung 10 pounds? Second quarter? Nandiyan. Yung green, yung green. Ah. Bakit sa auto ko eh? Yung kaya tao. Pero yung kaya pagkabanuan ng naman. Okay?
Gawin lang.
185. May balance pa si Garcia ng 65.
Tanda siya nabigay na?
Ha?
Tanda siya nabigay na?
Wala pa daw siyang Saudi. Kasi ko daw Saudi. One? Ano yun?
Set Pinil ball, set Pinil. Set Pinil ball, set Pinil.
Gas daw.
Plus 5 tayo ha, plus 5 tayo. GRU, plus 5. Now 47, 37. It's 10-point lead on set JRU. Now in Berga. The door. It's traveling violation on set Pinil. 9 minutes, 1 minute to shoot. Now Wesley. Pass to Garcia. Short. Ginibala. Nice defense on the Thunder Boy. Montoya. Bang! It's Montoya. 49 to 37. It's 12-point lead against JRU. Foul! Basket count and one on Malay. First on Wesley. Second on Wesley. First team foul on GRU. It's 49-39. 10-point lead on GRU. 40 against the 49. Now Wesley. Thunderboy back to Wesley. Wesley open jump short. Rebound again on the Good Church. It's 2-1. Nebel outside step. Foul. Foul on number 19 on the Thunderboy. First against the Thunderboy. Eric. Second team foul on GRU.
Pero na tubig dahil sa tubig. Sa tubig pero.
Eight minutes and 10. 41-49. 8-point lead now on GRU. Wesley. Montoya. Short. Rebound on Enverga. Harassed by Montoya. It's the Dora Parador. In and out. Rebound on Montoya. Montoya. Pass to Wesley. It's foul. Foul again on number 27 on the Dora Parador. First on St. Benil. Third personal foul on the Dora Parador. Wesley. Foul. Oh! Basket count. Basket net count. Basket net count. Foul on number 22 on Melay. Holding foul on Melay. Second team foul on St. Benil. Montoya. Again, too strong. It's the Dora Parador. Looking for Melay. It's Melay. Pass. The Dora Parador still. Now it's 1-1, 2-1. Nice move. Bill Velarde. It's Bill Velarde. It's 43-49. 6-point lead on GRU. Now Enverga. Enverga move. Defense on Garcia. Enverga for three. Too strong. Air ball. Melay. Still now again on De La Cruz. It's De La Cruz to Garcia. 21 against the 43. Now Enverga. The door. Aparador. 8. 14 to shoot. Air ball. Now the Thunderboy. Thunderboy, let me try. It's Thunderboy out top. Rebound on Montoya. Yes, on Montoya. 53-43. Nice move. Short. Rebound on De La Cruz. It's De La Cruz. 1-1. De La Cruz move. De La Cruz. Foul. Foul on 0 on timeout. On St. Benil. Third personal foul on St. Benil. First on Enverga. And timeout is brought to you again by TUI Abu Dhabi, the Inkers, and Basketballista.
Mag-shoot ka din.
Now Mabi the Pogi. Steve. It's GRU ball. GRU. Sabi ko sunod. Wesley out. Wesley. Now Sergeant Primo. Pass to Garcia. Back to Sergeant Primo. 5 to shoot. Bobby. Montoya, short. Now 3-2. Adadora Parador. 53-45. It's 8-point lead on GIU. And a pass! Coming from Mami Dipole to Garcia. 4 minutes. It's Montoya. Ramon Montoya, 57. Against the 45. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Top, Almarillo. Bang! What a hook shot coming from Almarillo. It's 13 foul on GIU. Forty-eight, 57. It's a 9-point lead on GIU. Rebound on Almarillo. Nice kick and pass. Whoa! Now for 50 to 57. It's a 7-point lead on GIU. 3 minutes.
Baba, Chad! Baba na, Chad! Chad, baba!
10 to shoot. Thunderboy. Montoya. Bang, bang, bang. On Montoya. 60 to 50.
Ilang.
40 to shoot. 3-second violation on St. Benil. It's turnover against St. Benil.
Sige!
In and out. Garcia. Foul. All on to put Guzman to Francisco. It's warning for penalty on St. Benil. Second on Francisco. 61 to 50. In and out.
Suluhin mo, wag mo siyang pagbubulit.
Cantora Parador. Nice kick out pass. Save spot. Cantora Parador. Bang! Basket down and one on the door of Parador. All on number 28. On Sergeant Primo. 61-52. 2 minutes. Now 53-61. It's 8-point lead on GIU. Air ball.
You have how many months? 700 for last month. 2 hours here, 500. You didn't pay. When they play?
Wait, I give already.
No.
I give 500. I give 500.
Yeah, but here the rental. When you rent 2 hours, you think after they pay me, you didn't pay.
We'll talk.
500 yes, you give from the balance.
We'll talk. I balance
Yeah.
200 only.
And 2 hours.
Wait.
You said you will take from them the money.
Wait. We'll talk. Shut up, we'll talk. I will discuss with you. So I have 250. 250. Oh, 250 for last month. 250 only. Wait. I will talk to you. I will call you.
1 minute.
I will call you.
250 and yesterday 1 extra hour and that time 1 extra hour.
Only 1 hour. Only 1 hour yesterday.
55 seconds. 55.
Score mo.
Sub rep sub.
Score mo.
55,
65 na?
62.
It's 62-55.
Nakashoot si Francisco.
Thunderboy, hey, right, it's Thunderboy time, nice defense. Sergeant Primo, in and out, it's Francisco. Nice move, nice pass on the low, yes, now 57, 62, 30 seconds. Too strong by De La Cruz, 20 seconds. Whoa, 15. Thunderboy. 10 seconds. 5. Whoa. It's 62-62 on our score. It's 1 point lead on JRU.
Nagkahabol mo.
Last quarter, last quarter. Last quarter up. St. Pinil ball, St. Pinil.
Hindi na ako dibusan. Bibigay na si Francisco na natin. Ang kalimutan ko niya.
Now the door operador. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Lamboy. It's 64-62. 2-point lead on St. Pinil. Alak. To Anderson. Long tray. Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Anderson. 65-64. It's 1 point lead back to JRU.
First shot, Anderson.
Berga, labas! Kita ikaw magbala! Berga! Pwesto, lang! Tira!
Ah, still on Anderson. Same spot. Too strong. Top. Dador Apolador. It's Dador Apolador. 1-1. Nice play. Ah, De La Cruz. To Alak. Alak move. Nice defense on Amboy. It's Villarde. Side step. Short. Too strong again. It's foul. Foul on De La Cruz. Second on De La Cruz. It's first against JRU. Villarde. Inberga, 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Air ball. Now Anderson. 3 on 2. Anderson. Pass to Crocs all alone. Now defense on St. Pinil. It's 8 minutes. Amboy. Yes on Amboy. 66-65. 1 point lead on St. Pinil.
Timeout pa ba?
Opo. Reserve timeout.
Almarillo. Almarillo goes to toss. Almarillo! Basket down and 1 on Almarillo. It's timeout against JRU. $68-65. Now 3 point lead on St. Pinil.
Sila foul.
Bonus free throw for Almarillo.
11 second personal foul.
Second personal foul on Anderson.
Second team foul.
Bonus free throw for Amarillo. Whoa! It's Francisco! 70-65. Turnover again on GIU. Steal, it's foul. Ah. The child sportsmanlike foul on number 0 or category 3. Our next game for our inter-province, it's Manila versus Bismi.
Isa lang, rep. Isa lang.
Dalawa. Isa lang na shoot. Hindi na shoot yung usap una.
70-66. It's traveling violation on Garcia. Seventy to 66, 4-point lead on St. Benil. Nice play, Amboy. Rebound on Anderson.
Counted.
On 0 on Inbarga.
Inverga third.
Third personal foul on Inbarga. First on St. Benil.
Yung hands ko hindi yan makan. Hindi yun counted.
Basket substitution tayo pa, basket substitution.
Second team foul.
Sub-rep, substitution. It's 68 against 270, now 2-point lead. On the green shirt, St. Benil.
Dalawa.
14 to shoot. 10. Short. Rebound on De La Cruz. It's jump ball. It's St. Benil ball. JRU ball. Fourth quarter, St. Benil. Fourth quarter, St. Benil. Short. Amboy. Inverga. Is foul. Foul on Wesley. 13 foul on GIU. Sub-rep, substitution. Third personal foul on Wesley. Sub-rep. Garcia. Foul. Foul on number 11 on Amarillo. It's 13 foul on St. Benil. First, on Almarillo. Garcia.
Mabe.
Oh, it's Mabe, the bogey. 70 all, 4 minutes.
Ito ka napapili mo. Pero
Take the shoot. Too strong. De La Cruz. Grabe violation on De La Cruz. 63 minutes and 42 seconds. Next game, Manila versus Bismin for our inter-province category. Air ball, Amarillo, short, top. Francisco, 10 to shoot. 5.
Shot! Salon!
Rebound on Amarillo.
Shooter! Shot!
Short. Foul. Out on number 25 on Francisco. It's warning for penalty on St. Pinil. It's 2 minutes and 57 seconds.
Wala! Gigil sa bola. Wala baba.
De La Cruz. Oh! Basket count and 1 on De La Cruz.
Penalty.
Timeout on St. Pinil. It's foul on number 25, Francisco.
Malaro ko pala ngayon, no? Hindi ko dala. Jersey mo sa bahay, dinadala. Oo. Nakalimutan ko. Nakalimutan ko. Hindi sa bahay. Sorry. Hindi kasi niremind mo ako.
Hala, grabe ba?
Ano? Kasalanan ko sa'yo.
Baka naman,
Kasi niremind. Manila pala na yun. Kasapit ko si Pan. Ha? Hindi mo. Problem. Ano ka niremind? Paano kaya yan?
Hoy, walang tatakbo hanggang walang rebound, ha?
Ako dala. Dalawa dun eh. Limot ko talaga sir. Limot ko talaga.
Harap tayo, ha?
2 minutes and 30. Fourteen to shoot. Garcia, 2 minutes.
Set lang, set. Ikot.
14 to shoot.
Primo!
Bang, bang, bang! On Primo! 1 minute and 40. 14 to shoot. Bang! Basket count and 1 on Amboy. Sa dito sa Dab sa prep. 1 minute and 31 seconds. Warning for penalty on GRU.
Hold on.
73-75. It's 2-point lead on GRU.
Sabi mo naman mag-ready.
14 to shoot. Oh! Still! 1 minute! It's foul! Foul on Amboy. Third on Amboy. Penalty na.
Dalawa.
58 seconds. Now 3-point lead on JIU. 76-73, 50 seconds. 14 to shoot. Short. Foul. Foul on number 30 on De La Cruz. Penalty na, penalty. 40 seconds. 74-76. 40 seconds.
Both penalty. Both penalty kayo.
Nice.
75-76. 1 point lead on GIU.
Wala.
Both teams now in penalty.
Shot!
20 seconds. Time out on GIU. Last time out on GIU. Last 20 seconds. (76-75). 20 seconds. Both teams now in penalty. No shot clock. Foul. Penalty. Foul on the door. Parador.
The door, third.
Third on the door of Parador. $15 seconds.
Last na yun, ha?
Basket timeout, ref. Basket timeout. 15 seconds.
Oh my goodness.
10 seconds. 10 seconds. Penalty.
1 point. Out. Oh my goodness.
Basket timeout, ref.
Isa lang. Mabi.
Violation. Timeout. Timeout on St. Pinil. Timeout on St. Pinil.
Pwede pa ba kung kahit seconds na? Mag-time out?
Sa may ibang remain ko.
Hindi, di ba? Committee decision yan.
76-75, 10 seconds. 1 point lead, JRU. Five seconds. 4 seconds. Ball on number 9 on Garcia. 2 free throw shot coming pa Almarillo. 4 seconds.
Take time, take time.
76 all. 76 all. 4 seconds.
Walang foul, walang foul, walang foul. Alis tayo, alis.
Oh no! Okay.
3 seconds. 3 is Sentinel. 3 seconds.
Possession eh sa akin. Sabi niya, wala na kasi na bumubola. Na-shoot pa, uy. Sabi niya, possession. 5 minutes. Magdamo, saka kukunin.
3 seconds.
Okay, Primo, yung lalabas sa'yo. Patay!
We go to overtime. 5 minutes, sir. 5 minutes. Running time. It's 5 minutes. Running time. We go to overtime. JRU ball, JRU. 5 minutes, straight clock, 5 minutes. Running time, 5 minutes running time clock.
Ay, labas nila ha. Ayun, angatan nyo. Nice run.
Yes, on De La Cruz. 78-76. In and out. Rebound on Primo. Nawalak.
Ay, sipaw.
De La Cruz.
Set mo na, set.
Oh, it's De La Cruz. 18-76 now. 4-point lead on JRU.
Elmar, punta mo sa ilalim, lumupos ka. Punta mo sa ilalim, sige.
Black by De La Cruz. Foul. Penalty rin. Foul on number 21. On Amboy. 3 minutes and 58 seconds for our overtime. Warning time. Overtime. It's 81-76. 5-point lead on JRU. Foul. Foul on number 19 on Laparias. Penalty. Running time overtime. 3 minutes and 10. $77-81. It's 4-point lead on JRU.
Baba, pahinga.
81
Baba.
to 70.
Sige, ipaga mo, ma.
Yes, now, Namboy. 81-80, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Alak. 14 to shoot. 10. Rebound ng Amarillo.
Galing mo na.
Nice pass, Dadora Marador. It's 82-81. It's a 1-point lead on Sentinel.
Ito. Balik mo, pre.
14 to shoot. 10. Alak. Bang, bang, bang. Oh, Alak. 84-82. It's 2-point lead on JRU. 1 minute and 34. Amarillo.
Out it!
Bang! Basket down and 1 on Amarillo. 84 all. 84 sa tinusunod sa brep. 84 all. 1 minute and 23 seconds. It's running time, overtime. 1 minute and 10. Garcia.
Baba!
Now Mabe. It's 4-on-1. Pass to Sergeant Primo. Too deep. Rebound on Montoya. Yes on Montoya. 86-84. 2-point lead back to Skiaru. Steal by Montoya. 49 seconds. Foul.
Oh! Mabi!
It's foul on Sentinel. Penalty rep, 43 seconds. It's overtime period. It's 86-84. 2-point lead on JRU.
Kahit isa lang, oh. Nice.
87-84.
Isa pa. Nice, Mabi.
Time out on Sentinel. 88-84. It's a 4-point lead on JRU. 43 seconds. 42 seconds left. 42 seconds. Next game, it's Manila versus Bismi.
Maglaro ka. Sino ba isa? Shooter.
10 to shoot. Traveling violation. 35 seconds. 35.
Tao.
25 seconds.
Bigay. Nice. Oh, sige po.
17 seconds.
Sa bahay, yung malabas dito.
1, 2.
Yung sasabi ng dream sa akin.
Foul.
Hindi na kasi din, hindi nabi. Salamat.
13 seconds.
Malaki ba din? Yan, pwede ako pumunta doon. Yan nga yun. Gusto tayo doon.
13 seconds. 84.
Talaga, ang aga-aga ko pa naman dito.